In this video, we will learn about how you can create a simple school database in Python. So first of all, we need to import a couple of libraries. So I am importing the context lib and the SQLite library. So the first thing which I need to do is I need to create a SQLite file. So in order to do that, all I need to do is call the SQLite connect function and import connections object out of it. Then I need to call the context lib library, and I need to set up a connection to the database I created just now. So for that I just need to call the connections.cursor method as cursor. Now once I have done that, all I need to do is I need to first of all create a database. Now for that I need to call the execute command within the cursor, and I need to run this query. So I need to say that create a database, create a table in SQLite database if a table does not exist, and I can say call it school database. Now I can also specify that what fields I have in my database. So for now I will just start with name, so I'm just keeping the student's name in my database. To begin with, first of all, we can also see that if the database is created and what items we have in our database. So let's just simply run select name from school database. Now this query, what it will do is it will look at what are all the names which are present in the current database, and it will print them in the command line. So let's do that. So if we run this function, we will see that there are no students in my current SQL database. Now to add new students, all I need to do is I need to execute a query where I can say that please insert into the database. So the database name is school database, and you can say that please insert in the school database the value. Let's say you want to insert the name of the student John, so you can specify it like this. And let's say if we run the program again, you can see that John has been inserted in this school database. Now if we run this program, let's say with another student, let's say we add another student Smith in the database, we will see that John has been added twice. The reason being that we are creating the whole thing again. So to order to prevent that, we can simply remove the current copy of my database. We can remove this, clear the console, and run the program again. And this time we will see that we have two students in our database, John and Smith. And as you can see with this, you can create a simple database in Python. Thanks a lot.